Nangadi po mayam, Aisa Nangadi. Today I'm back with another Vietnamese cooking video. So today I will cook bún đậu mắm tôm. The literal translation in English is rice noodle tofu shrimp base. Today we also cook with the meat. Okay, let's go to prepare with me now. First we will prepare the meat. Today I'm going to use the pork thigh. Let's wash the meat and boil it up. To take away the smell of the meat, I will put some onion and boil it. Now we will prepare the rice noodle by boiling it. We have to boil it around 7 minutes and then we'll make it stick together. Okay, the noodle here is already done, so I will take it out and make it stick together. We will take out the water. I will put inside 2 containers and then we will use some heavy things to put on top of the noodle. Maybe like this. We will keep the noodle like this for some time and cut it. The meat here is already cooked, so I will take it out and cut it. It smells so good when we boil with the onion. I will cut it now. This meat is really good. I like to eat bún đậu mắm tôm with fried spring roll, so now I will prepare it. Here, I already prepared the wood ear mushroom, onion, carrot, Chinese noodle. For those things, we just chop it into small pieces. Some pepper, salt, oyster sauce, and mix it together. After mixing all the things properly, I will use the rice paper to wrap it. We will make the rice paper soft and then put the meat inside like this. And wrap it like this. I already finished wrapping the spring roll, so now we will fry it with the tofu also. Okay, I finished cooking. So today, do you know what it is this?
I'm not sure. Kind of a fried spring roll.
Spring roll? Nee. But today we have the noodle also.
Oh, okay.
The noodle today, I cut like this.
Okay. Interesting.
And tofu,
Wow.
I fry like this. Remember?
Ah, yes.
And we have the special thing here.
Okay. Mắm tôm.
Mắm tôm.
Okay. So yeah, this is kind of similar to ngari, but they use these shrimp like fermented. So yeah, bún đậu mắm tôm.
Yeah. So now I will prepare the mắm tôm here.
Okay. It smells. Yeah, smells like a it smells like a mắm tôm.
So smell.
Yeah.
So we will put the mắm tôm inside like this. And then sugar. We have to put a lot of sugar here.
Diabetes.
Yeah, because it's so salty.
Right. So yeah,
And then
to balance the salt. Okay.
yeah, to balance the salt. And then the oil that I fried the spring roll. Put it together.
Okay. Oh, so we are going to eat the oil also?
Yeah.
Wow, I
It
did
will
not
be
know.
so good with the oil. Can you hold it for
Okay.
me? Here I already prepared the garlic and chili. So we will put the chili also. If you want more spicy, you can put from here the chili and the lime. You have to put a lot of lime. In Vietnam, we use another one, the good smell one.
The smaller one?
The smaller one. Do you know it?
Yeah, I know.
What does it call?
I'm not sure what is it called, but the smaller one has more smell, right? Like yeah. Is it Yeah, I think it's a like lime, but a different varieties, I guess.
It's smaller one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I will use one lime here.
Okay. And then
we will mix it together.
wow.
We have to mix it till it have the bubble like this.
Okay.
Do you see? Does it smell good?
It smells good for us, but for other people who don't eat the ngari or the mamto, it will be like a strong smell for them.
When it have the bubble like this, it's okay. Smells so good. Look
I'm
at
not
your
sure.
plate.
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
If you want the spicy more, put the
No
chili
problem.
in it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I want it
I
spicy.
forgot how to eat actually.
I will, so you can.
Okay.
I will put more chili.
So you want more spicy? Okay.
Will be more good.
Okay.
So here I
Oh,
already.
we also have the strawberry. So we are going to eat together with the spring roll.
Yeah, it will be more tasty with the strawberry.
Oh.
So here I already prepared the vegetable. We have the carrot, cucumber, mango. With the mango, it's really good.
Okay.
So I also cut some mango, and this is the herb. I don't know what is
Yeah.
in English.
I'm also not sure. Like usually they also Japanese also eat with the sushi.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. We have to find
So
the name
in
of it in
Vietnam,
English.
we eat the purple one.
Mm.
But here I cannot find the purple.
Okay.
So we have the meat here and the fried spring roll.
Okay.
And here we have the rice noodle tofu.
Okay.
It's a lot, man.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. I don't know if we can finish it. Okay, let's try. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
That's it.
So I would like to eat this one
Okay.
with the vegetable. You can use your hand also.
Hi.
So like this.
Oh, I want to try the mango too. Okay.
With the mango will be really, really good.
Okay.
And this one, noodle.
Oh.
It's a lot, man.
It's very big. How are you going to? Okay, here. And
Okay.
then I will make it kind of a roll. And then
Like this. And we will dip with the mắm tôm. Yeah.
So kind of a sauce, like a shrimp paste sauce.
Is it good?
It's good. A little salty, but it's good. I like it.
Yeah, it's too big for me.
The mango is really good.
Yeah?
But this is a bit ripe one. I think more like a unripe mango. The a bit sour one would be better.
The mango in Manipur. It's really good.
I will try to make it a bit smaller and eat it. Let me try the fried spring roll. There. And the cucumber, carrot, and the mango.
So the difference here with the spring roll is
Mamto?
the mắm tôm.
Some of my junior at the laboratory, she also said that she cannot eat the mamto. When I said that, like I eat the mamto. Yeah, like the smell, I think. Yeah.
You smell a lot.
Yeah. So were you surprised that I can eat the mamto?
Yeah, because it's so smelly, and then you can eat this. Mm.
What's it? I want to try with the mantou only. I can dip it in the mantou and then just eat it. The meat is really good. No. You will be viral, you know. Now look at this girl eating as if she has not eaten anything.
Yeah, you didn't give me anything. So good.
Yep. Okay. Oh, it fell down.
Give me the strawberry.
No, I don't want to eat with the strawberry. It's just for color.
Yeah, it's just for color.
Okay. Oh my god, it's too big. I don't know how am I going to eat this one. Spicy?
No. The spring roll also good, no?
No.
So this dip, this hop is
Yes.
also the important item when you eat with the bún đậu mắm tôm.
Yeah, I think the taste, you know, is changed, you know.
It smells good.
Yep.
So when we were student, if we did not have much money, we will just eat the bún đậu with mắm tôm. So it's kind of cheap without the meat and a lot of things here. So we will eat bún đậu mắm tôm and some vegetable like this, and it's around 100 and only.
That's $1.
Around $1. So for us still then we don't have money, so it's a good price.
Right.
We have a lot of choice also. We have another fried thing.
So can it be eaten with the duck?
We
You don't have?
I don't see.
Mm.
Normally we eat with pork.
The fried spring roll is really good.
How about the meat? Is this good?
Really juicy. I think it also depends on like what day we buy it. If it is fresh or something like that, you know. So if I go to Vietnam and then start eating, like telling that I'm a foreigner and start eating bún đậu mắm tôm,
They will be so surprised.
really? Let's go and do it. Let's surprise some Vietnamese people. So the tofu, like, is it similar to the tofu that you get here in Japan? So this one is the hard tofu, right? Like
The
used for the
soft
fried
one.
one. Yeah. We cannot do it. So it's already.
We can do it, but we have to put some powder
Oh, break.
outside.
Okay. Oh my god. I need to salvage it.
It's too big.
Yeah. How am I going to eat it? I don't know. Maybe outside the video, I will eat this one.
Okay. My sister really like bún đậu mắm tôm. Almost every weekend she will ask for bún đậu mắm tôm. And she will prepare it for us. Bún đậu mắm tôm and bánh xèo is our favorite.
We need to eat the benchel again. I did it.
Oh my god, you eat all the mamtom?
Yes. Onegaishimasu.
It's good?
Yeah. A bit spicy but good.
Spicy for you?
Mm-hmm.
Even I put more the chili, but I don't feel spiciness.
Mm-hmm. So like it is sell as we have to do it by ourselves, right? They do not sell it as a kind of a raw one, right? They will just bring out all the items.
Yeah.
By for example, some spring roll, you know, like you can just eat it directly, right? You don't need to roll it by yourself or
Yeah,
something
this
like
one
that.
they just bring like this. So some place they don't bring the lettuce also. It's just the herb and the cucumber.
Okay.
So in Vietnam we eat a lot of herb,
Right.
but here it's not much.
It's not big. It's not big. Yeah, the mantou is really good.
It's too much for me. I should take a rest. So I will eat the strawberry. So now in Japan it's the strawberry season. So we have a lot of variety of the strawberry. Maybe next time I will buy it and then we will try some
Other
here.
varieties, yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, this is not the mango season. But it's from Peru, like the Costco here in Japan, they sell it, and then we are going there to buy it, or just only for mango. We went there to just buy the mango, but yeah, it's really good. Now, in Japan, only Okinawa they have the mango, but they're too very expensive mango.
Yeah.
So all the mangoes in Japan are imported.
So when we come back to Manipur or
Yes, Vietnam,
Vietnam,
we will eat
will
the
eat
fruit.
a lot of fruit
Yes.
that don't have in Japan.
Yeah, like jackfruit.
Oh man.
And then oh my god, I'm forgetting the name.
Durian?
Durian.
Yeah.
Yeah, durian. We should show like people what durian is and how it's like, but they cannot smell it though.
Yeah.
In the video.
It also strong smell like the mamtom.
Yeah.
So a lot of people cannot eat that also.
Yeah. In Singapore, they ban, like, people cannot take the durian in the train or something like that, you know. In Japan, at least they are not banned, right?
Because they don't have.
I mean, they are selling it at the like a supermarket, right? They sell it openly.
Yeah. But the supermarket, the durian smell is not strong like in Vietnam or Singapore. I don't even sometimes I go near to the durian but I cannot smell anything.
Let me try some strawberry.
Okay. This one is big.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Really sweet.
Sweet, no? Oh, in Vietnam, just in the cold place that they can plant their strawberry. So whenever I want to eat it, I have to travel or it also have in the big supermarket, but
Imported one, right?
it's expensive. So here in Japan, it's cheap and it's good.
In Manipur also people started the strawberry farm.
My mom also tried to take care of some. But like in the end of the year, the weather in our place cold, so she will take care of it. And my niece tried to looking for it all the time.
If it is edible or not.
So my mom had to hide it.
Yeah,
I mean hide it to let it grow up.
Oh, okay.
But it's for them.
I understand. When I was a kid, we did not eat much strawberry or something. We don't know about much, you know. Yeah.
I even don't know about the strawberry. Okay, we already ate a lot of bún đậu mắm tôm
Yeah.
and a lot of strawberry also.
Yes.
We are so full now.
Yes.
Thank you for. Okay,
Yeah.
we have to be careful with this.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, here comes the end of the video. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
See you next time.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.